In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your generated images in ChatGPT. If you've been creating images and want a quick way to find them all in one place, this guide will walk you through the exact path and give you a few helpful tips so you know what to expect on the screen. Start by going to ChatGPT, either in your web browser or the official app. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar that holds navigation and settings. At the very top of that left sidebar, look for the option labeled More. In some layouts, this appears as an ellipsis or menu icon. Click More to open a small menu. From that menu, choose Images. As soon as you select Images, ChatGPT will take you to a dedicated space where your generated images are gathered. That's it. Your images are now right in front of you. You should see a clean gallery-style view, typically arranged in rows with thumbnails that make it easy to scan through what you've created. This view exists to help you quickly revisit your past generations without having to dig through old chats. If your sidebar looks condensed, or you don't immediately see the word More, try expanding the sidebar by hovering near the edge or clicking the sidebar toggle. On smaller screens, the sidebar might be tucked behind a menu button, so opening that first will reveal the top area where the More option lives. If you still don't see images in the menu, make sure you're on the latest version of the app or refresh your browser tab to reload the interface. When the Images section is open, take a moment to look at how your content is organized. You may notice that items are grouped by when they were generated or presented in a simple stream. This layout is designed to make it obvious which images came from your recent prompts. If you create images across different sessions, they'll appear together here, so you can quickly scan your visual history. To recap, go to ChatGPT, find the More option at the top of the left sidebar, choose Images, and your generated images will be displayed right away. Keep this path in mind the next time you create something new. You'll know exactly where to go to view everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your image gallery inside ChatGPT.